To undo an action in Photoshop, simply go to Edit, Undo. If you want to redo an action, go to Edit, Redo. The shortcut for this is Ctrl-Z in both cases. So Ctrl-Z will undo the action, and pressing Ctrl-Z again will redo the action. To undo more than your last action, go to Edit, Step Backward. To redo these actions, go to Edit, Step Forward. Another way to manage your actions in Photoshop is with the History panel, which is located at the top of this column. If you don't see it, go to Window, History. Dragging down this panel will reveal a history of your actions along with the tool icon and the tool name. You can undo or redo your actions by simply clicking these bars off or on. Let's record a few more actions with different tools and see how they appear in the History panel. Let's use the Dodge tool. And the Erase tool. Another useful feature of the History panel is you can jump backwards and forwards without having to click on each action.